Hey everyone, it's Shauna the Tax Goddess, and I am here today to talk about an election that needs to be on your tax return. If you are a small business, all right, so you do not have audited financial statements or some other form of professional financial statements, this election, my suggestion, needs to be on your tax return, okay? It needs to be on 2018, 2019, 2020, every year moving forward annually. This election needs to be on your tax return. So if you've already filed your 2018 business tax return, go take a look and make sure that this election is in your files, okay? So let's talk about the election for a minute. What is this election? What do you actually have to do here, okay? So the actual election itself, the statement for the election should say section, write this down or rewatch the video, okay? Section 1.263A-1F, de minimis safe harbor election, okay? Now, it's got to come with the business's EIN, a statement that you, the taxpayer, are making this election. It must be attached to the tax return. Now, all of this talk about an election, what does it actually do? Shauna, why do I care about this election? All right, in previous years, okay, prior to January 1st, 2018, you were allowed to expense any asset that you purchased that was $500 or less, all right? So if you bought a desk and the desk was $475, you were allowed to just expense it. It did not become a fixed asset and go on the balance sheet of your tax return, all right? Using this election, the safe harbor de minimis election, that number goes up to $2,500 per invoice, okay? Kind of particular, per invoice. So if you bought a desk and you bought a computer and the invoice was $2,499, you get to write them both off. If you bought a desk and a computer and the invoice was $2,501, one invoice, they become a fixed asset on your balance sheet, okay? So two pieces there. One, get separate invoices for everything that you're purchasing, right? And two, try and purchase things under $2,499, okay? If possible, you do not want to eat into your $179 electionable limit, okay? You want to be able to just expense things. This also makes it a lot easier on your bookkeepers, guys, okay? And it's really one of those things that you want to be doing anyway. If you're unsure, okay, the $2,500 is that cutoff, got to have that election statement. But if you're unsure, I would rather see your bookkeepers put items that you've purchased into the expense category, office equipment, small tools, whatever you want to call it, okay? But have them put it, while they're doing their monthly bookkeeping, have them put it onto the profit and loss side in the expense category. Because if your CPA needs to move it back to fixed assets, they will, right? If you have the election, then up to $2,500, you're good. But it's a part of this election is making sure that this is a part of your actual accounting method. And by having your bookkeeper consistently put these items onto the profit and loss side into that small tools or small equipment, you are building a method. So even if your CPA missed, for whatever reason, missed filing this election in 2018, you can now file it in 2019 as long as your bookkeeper is doing this as a method. Okay, very, very important. So double check your tax returns. Be looking for section 1.263A-1F, de minimis safe harbor election, to ensure that your CPA has gotten you the best deductions possible and reduced your taxes as much as humanly possible. So if it's missing, if you are looking for tax strategies, if there's anything that we can do to help you, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Dropmytaxes.com or taxgoddess.com. You can find me almost anywhere, Shauna your Tax Goddess. So with much tax love, making sure you get all the tax deductions, Shauna your Tax Goddess signing off. Have a great day, guys. Bye.